Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today I'm sharing a Navratri special protein-packed Paneer Aloo Tikki. This festive treat is nutritious, super delicious and perfect for fasting. It's light on oil, high in protein, gives you energy and keeps you satisfied. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. Into a bowl, add about 100 grams of chopped paneer and 4 to 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Mash and mix them well. Next, add 1/3 cup finely chopped almonds, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon jaggery powder or any sweetener you prefer, a handful of chopped coriander, and the juice of half a lime. Mix everything together until well combined. Now shape the mixture into patties. Heat a pan on low to medium heat. Add a little oil. And cook the tikkis on both sides until crisp and golden. These Paneer Aloo Tikkis are not just for fasting. They also make a great lunchbox snack. You can enjoy them in a sandwich or wrap them in a paratha or roti with some coriander chutney and yogurt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this Navratri treat and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.